Hello there, I am Mr. Owl. Today, I have brought some dark psychological tricks to get your girl. Number 1. Distance people fall in love as a result of their imagination. Allow them time to think about you before they fall in love with you. When persons are physically separated or have limited contact, it might enhance their longing and want to be with the other person. Romantic sentiments can be influenced by anticipation and desire. Number 2. Create desire. It is true that you cannot desire something you already have. Don't give them the impression that they have complete control over you. Allow them to be afraid of losing you from time to time. The dread of losing someone can cause worry, despair, and terror. They may be concerned about the emptiness or loneliness that losing you will cause in their lives. Number 3. Become only source. You need to be the only source of a certain need, for example, affection, physical touch, vulnerability. If they meet their needs through other people, you want to be special. If you are the only source, they'll feel like they need you. Number 4. Don't ask. Just tell them what to do. Exert dominance. Female likes the male who are dominant. Traits associated with dominance, such as confidence and assertiveness, can be seen as desirable qualities in a partner. These traits can convey strength, leadership, and a sense of security. Number 5. Fragrance. Fragrances can add an element of sensory delight. A well-chosen fragrance that suits your personality and complements your natural scent can add an extra layer of attractiveness. It can create an intriguing aura around you, capturing attention and piquing curiosity. Number 6. Be secretive. Each individual has a right to their personal privacy and autonomy. There may be certain aspects of your life or experiences that you prefer to keep private. So don't overshare. Keep the aura of mystery alive. Don't show your hand. Having some unknown aspects or hidden depths can pique curiosity and make someone want to learn more about you. It can provide an opportunity for deeper conversations and exploration, which can contribute to building a connection. That's all, my friends. Just remember, be positive. Don't use these tricks to manipulate someone. Just build a lovely connection which can lead to healthy relationship. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, don't be single.